How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 69 Camaro Z28. It's done in the LeMans Blue with white stripes. Super nice car. Real straight, flat down the sides. See the grill and everything's in excellent condition. Re-chrome bumpers. It's got your chin spoiler and see the car's real straight, flat down the sides. This LeMans Blue is just killer color. It's got chrome, black chrome, American Racing torque thrust on it. Got the rear deck spoiler. They did the LED taillights in it. Re-chrome rear bumper. You have to kind of bear with us. It's only like 11 degrees out right now. Got a nice mild built 383 in it. It's got your power disc brakes, power steering. It's got the headers and the dual flow masters out the back. All electronic ignition. It's all nicely detailed under the hood. It's got a 700R overdrive trans with a 355 gear. So all the jams there are very nice. Got the dark blue interior, just a good looking combination. Got a rear tilt wheel. Headliner, everything's very nice and tight. I really like the dark blue interior. Just good combination. We do have a spare tire that goes with it. This is the first sunny day we've had in like 2 weeks, so we're a little behind on getting stuff advertised. Got your trio of gauges there under the dash. Nice throaty little motor in it. Tell you, I really like the car, and this LeMans Blue looks so good on these Camaros. Got the consensual taillights, really cool. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Now, we won't be going out on the roads today. It's just too sloppy and nasty road conditions. Or you can check us out on Facebook. Have a great day, folks.